Fresh homemade dressings have more flavor and are just better than store-bought ones. They're budget-friendly and free of nasty ingredients and additives. This Texas Roadhouse Italian dressing is a simple and delicious way to add a zesty, herbaceous flavor profile to your pasta salads. It's so versatile you can also use it as a marinade for fresh veggies as well as chicken, pork, and beef before grilling. And what's even better is that you most likely already have these ingredients on hand. Hi, I'm Minnie from This and That Minis. I'm so glad you're here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. So to make this copycat Texas Roadhouse Italian dressing, you'll need a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. Apple cider vinegar can be substituted here. 1 teaspoon of balsamic vinegar. Again, you can substitute with apple cider vinegar and a little brown sugar. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now you can use fresh lemon juice if you like, or just the lemon juice out of the little lemon-shaped container you get from the store, and that's what I've used here. 1/2 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And you can substitute regular yellow mustard with a few drops of lemon juice if you don't have Dijon mustard. 1 clove of garlic minced, or I've just got this crushed garlic from the store. 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning. Whisk all that up. Now you're going to want to store that. And I have a nice handy little container. I got these off Temu, a whole case of them. Very reasonable. If you have any questions or suggestions, or just want to say hi, please leave a comment below. I'd really love to hear from you. Store that in the refrigerator for at least an hour before using. Those seasonings need that extra time to soften up and blend well with the other ingredients. And you see how easy that was. Now why aren't we all making our own dressings? Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and watch these videos next.